Hello everyone, welcome to TechObro. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to subtract two numbers in Python. For that I need to take a variable num1, let's take it 15, and then num2, let's take it 12. Now I'm going to subtract, so sub num1 minus num2. Here the variable sub will store the value of subtraction of these two numbers. Now let's print it. It's showing us the value of 3. Let's change the number here. I'm going to change it in 10. Let's check it. So it's minus 2. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.